The seal is a fun and playful rolling exercise from the Pilates mat. It's really beneficial to your hips, low back, and there's a couple ways we can make this more advanced and have some fun with it, which we're going to do today. Whether you're a total beginner or want to do the harder variation, let's get on the mat. Ian is going to be demonstrating for us today. He has a particular genius for this exercise. So to start, the seal has this funny hand position where you wrap your hands under your ankles and put the soles of your feet together, floating them off the mat. And then to start the exercise, the legs open, close, open, close. So this is what it looks like from the side. The legs go clap, 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 like the fins of a seal. And you want to make sure you have the lifted posture so we're not rounding too much in the lower back. Awesome. And then from here, once you've got your balance, you can clap, clap, clap. Make sure you check behind you so that you don't roll into anything and bonk your head. And then you'll roll back to your shoulders and back up to your balance. It's okay if it takes you more than one time to get back up there. And once you've found your balance again and it feels really sturdy and solid, you show your control by clapping 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Now, eventually, this clap can also be done up at the top. We're going to talk about that a little bit later in this video. But if you're a beginner to this, this is all you need to know is you clap at the top when you have balance, and then you just rock and roll until you can find that balance again. Just like all the rolling exercises in the Pilates method, we want to really maintain our shape as we do this. So the hands are really holding the ankles firmly, the elbows are pressing outward into the knees to create some body tension. And then even though we're lifted in the posture, there's still a little curve, a little roundness to the lower back so that you can roll really smoothly. Now you can see here Ian's moving on to the more advanced variation of this exercise where you actually roll back, hold the rolled back position, and then clap 1, 2, 3 while you're upside down. So again, if you're a beginner, don't worry about that yet. But if you've been doing Pilates and rolling for a long time, this is a really nice way to practice your control. You're going to want to make sure that the weight is in your shoulders, not your neck. And then the next advanced variation is to stand up. We're going to talk about a couple ways to do that. This is our most advanced version. So you clap 3 times, cross your feet, and then you're going to press into them to stand. So if you're just starting out with this, it might just look like a little hiccup of the booty. You might not stand all the way up. That's totally okay. As you get more advanced, you're just going to be able to lift up higher and higher each time. And that's how we're eventually going to get to a full standing position. Now, the other option here is if that hurts your knees or is too tricky for you, you can cross one leg over the other to like a little lunge and push off your back foot. And Ian's just demonstrated that for us. And it's a really nice way to practice just the feeling of getting up off the floor without having to worry about the balance component of the full cross-legged variation. And that's it for today. We've covered a lot of variations of this fun exercise. I hope this inspires you to go try them out on your mat or to try them in our next mat class. We've linked those up for you in the description below. If you enjoy free tutorials like this one, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below letting us know what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on the mat.